Hello everybody and welcome to my cooking journal. My name is Mario and today is very special because we're going to prepare a very special dish, a very famous dish in the world that is called ceviche. It's a very traditional dish from Peru. It's prepared in many different ways, but I'm gonna do the traditional, how it started. It's like the base of the ceviche, okay? Then you go to the north coast of Peru, they have a little different style. You go to the south, it's a little different style. In Lima, it's a little different style, but we're going to do the traditional, like I said, okay? Let's go with the ingredients. 1 sliced red onion, 8 limes, and it's very important to use green limes. Half a cup of cilantro, some lettuce leaves, half a chili. If you don't like spicy, you don't have to use it, but ceviche has to be spicy. Some slices of cooked sweet potato, and of course, fish. 400 grams of fish for 2 portions is perfect. We're using mahi-mahi fish, but you can use almost any kind of fish. And now let's start with the preparation. This is as easy as mixing everything in a bowl, but in the correct order. Let's put the fish and add the chili with some seeds to make it spicy and a little bit of salt. Then mix. The flavors are starting to combine. You can already add some slices of onion and mix to start giving the flavor to the fish. Then we add the squeezed lime, and you know what to do. Mix and mix. To finish, add the rest of the onion and the cilantro. Mix more and done. Look at this. Beautiful. Enjoy the cooking and let me know in the comments below how it went. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe.